So we have hit a rough patch in the assembly process. We have this piece. Trying to sorry. So one half what?
Ba. I'm sorry, baby. I'm almost done.
We're almost done with what we assume to be the correct configuration for all these pieces, and what we hope is
3/4.
Oh, and we finally finished this. So that's done, that's done, that's done, that's done. The only thing that's not done up here is this little area right here, which is going to be screws or Allen keys or something along those lines, hex keys, whatever you want to call them. And we also still have this bag of dirty extension things. It's just a whole bunch of pieces that look like that. A whole bunch of those. We got our cat over here overseeing the whole operation. Make sure everything goes off without a hitch, but he doesn't seem to be doing his job too well.
Get another bag of that thing.
Alright, we're down to our last bag of stuff that isn't dirty, or hex keys. Alright, we got 2 bags of hex keys. We got a big bag with some of the bigger pieces, and then for the little pieces, they come in a nice little bag right here. And now we're doing these long, giant bullet pieces. So, that's pretty easy after you've done the first half. You know that they just go in this right here. Still, we don't have no idea what this hole is for.
What do they call you? Gideon? Oh, Vivian. Because they're stupid and they don't know how to read. Me too.
If you read Viviana as Vivian, you're stupid and you don't know how to read.
Her name is Viviana. Baby, your ass is huge.
Alright, we like just flew through that last bag because that was obvious.
This isn't here.
And we're missing this hole, but that is everything except for that, these dirty extensions, and some screws.
Tight.
So that has to go there somehow, but that doesn't fit. Which means that
it does fit. That's a problem.
Okay, it does fit. It just sticks out a lot, but at the same time, we got a piece on this side that does the same thing. So I guess somehow the world balances out inside this case, and things are able to stick up that far out. You wanna try and close it right now before we do any of that, seeing though that's obvious. Just like see if it'll actually close. Alright, so we're gonna do a little experiment. We're gonna lock this right here. Make sure this doesn't open up. We're gonna go for the first. We're gonna go for a trial close.
Wrong.
And
it's wrong.
It's wrong, and we've gone over the 10-minute limit by a couple seconds, so we're screwed. We're gonna split. Make another video.